In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on the Docusign app. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so it's essential to keep your account secure with an updated password. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have your email and current password ready. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. From here, direct your attention to the navigation menu. You will find a section labeled Manage Profile. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you're accessing your personal account settings where you can make a variety of changes to ensure your account is up to date. Within the profile management area, you'll see a tab for privacy and security. Clicking on this section brings you to an area where you can manage crucial security settings. This is where you need to be to change your password. Look for the option that says Change Password and click on it. A new window or section will appear, prompting you to enter your current password followed by your new password. It's crucial here to choose a strong new password that you haven't used before to enhance your account's security. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a robust password. Once you've entered your new password, the last step is to confirm this change. Double check for any typos or mistakes to ensure accuracy. After confirming the details, submit the changes and your new password will be active immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your password on the Docusign app. Remember, updating your passwords regularly is a great way to keep your account secure. If you ever forget your new password, don't worry, Docusign has straightforward options for password recovery. By following these simple steps, you can maintain the security of your electronic signatures and documents with peace of mind. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more easy to follow tech guides. Have a great day.